Welcome to our video on kayak camping hacks. In this video, we will share some smart tips and tricks to make your kayak camping experience more comfortable and enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned camper, these hacks will help you make the most out of your adventure. Before you head out on your kayak camping trip, it's important to choose the right kayak for your needs. Look for a kayak that is stable, durable, and has enough storage space for your camping gear. Consider factors like weight capacity, length, and width to ensure a comfortable and safe journey. When it comes to packing for kayak camping, it's all about maximizing space and staying organized. Use dry bags or waterproof containers to protect your gear from water. Roll your clothes tightly to save space and use compression sacks for bulky items. Don't forget to pack essential camping gear like a tent, sleeping bag, cooking utensils, and food. In a kayak, space is limited, so it's important to optimize every inch. Utilize the space inside the kayak by using storage hatches and deck rigging. Hang a cargo net or bungee cords on the deck to secure extra gear. You can also attach storage pockets or pouches to the cockpit or seat back for easy access to small items. Meal planning is crucial for a successful kayak camping trip. Opt for lightweight and compact food options that don't require refrigeration. Dehydrate your own meals or choose ready-to-eat foods. Pack cooking utensils that are multi-purpose and easy to clean. Consider using a portable camping stove or a campfire for cooking. Once you reach your camping spot, it's time to set up camp. Choose a level and dry area to pitch your tent. Use tent stakes and guy lines to secure your tent against wind. Create a comfortable sleeping area with a sleeping pad or inflatable mattress. Don't forget to set up a rainfly to protect against unexpected weather. Safety should always be a priority during kayak camping. Wear a properly fitting personal flotation device, PFD, at all times. Familiarize yourself with the local rules and regulations of the area you're camping in. Check the weather forecast before heading out and be prepared for any hazards. Always let someone know about your trip plan and expected return time. By following these kayak camping hacks, you'll be well prepared for a comfortable and enjoyable experience in the great outdoors. Remember to respect nature, leave no trace, and have fun exploring new destinations. Happy kayaking and happy camping!